My name is Cindy Zaguza Njagazi. I'm the Chief Director responsible for curriculum management in KwaZulu-Natal. Today, as Curriculum Management and Delivery Branch, we are hosting a strategic workshop for the province. So in this strategic workshop, we are actually looking at how can we improve the learning outcomes in the system across all grades, and we are working in line with the theme that says strengthening foundations for a resilient and future-ready education by improving teaching and learning across all grades. So what we have done today, we have gathered here almost all the branches of the Department of Education. IDS is here, HR, finance, as well as curriculum. So we want to say, how can we, all of us, collaboratively participate in improving the learning outcomes across all grades. We want to shift our focus from concentrating much on grade 12, but to say we want to strengthen the foundation. So we're looking closely at issues around reading. We are looking closely around issues of mathematics. Also, we want to improve participation of mathematics in grade 10, and we want then to start by improving the participation as well as performance of mathematics in lower grades. So this workshop aims at ensuring that we as the system in KZN, we work collaboratively in achieving that kind of improvement of learning outcomes. But we have our different roles, but also we say we can do more in KZN. Now that the province is leading province in the country, we are saying we need now to ensure that our foundation is also intact. So we are looking specifically on issues of languages, especially in the foundation phase, to say how best can we strengthen reading as well. Thank you.